1, 2, 3.
Right now we're out doing a weapons class. I think later we're going to be on the range, but right now we're learning about some of the squad-based weapons like the grenade launchers and the sniper rifles that we'd have to deal with our own squads and our platoons dealing with, and familiarize ourselves with this before actually becoming officers, because it gives us more time to become familiar with the platform and also just understand it on a deeper level when we need to. Something really beneficial about this training is it allows them to track exactly what we learned when we learned it. By giving us a condensed unit in the summer, we're able to learn more important leadership skills than we might necessarily in our universities, because they can put us on a direct schedule. Like today we woke up at 03:30, and I don't think we're going to bed till 03:30 tomorrow because of the night infiltrations course. So it's really good to put us under the pressure and see how we deal with it, rather than, giving us the lessons and then seeing how we deal with it in the future. There's some people in here who came in with a lot of knowledge. I was not on that boat. I came in here being told how to march, what foot to start with, when a lot of people didn't. And now, last week I actually had my first run as a platoon sergeant, and I seem to do pretty well at that, so I'm pretty proud about that. I joined ROTC because serving my community and then ultimately my country is a very important aspect to me. I'm actually studying to be a math teacher after the Army, and so it's something I'm really proud about. Coming here with no expectations. I came in here thinking it was going to be like a cool camping trip, and it's been a little different, and it's been exciting every step of the way.